The human brain is an incredible organ, protected inside our skull and weighing about 3 pounds. It acts as the control center for our body, responsible for everything we do, think, or feel. The brain controls vital functions like breathing and heartbeat automatically. Imagine your brain as a supercomputer, processing information at lightning speed. It constantly receives signals from your senses, letting you see, hear, smell, taste, and touch. It's where our thoughts, dreams, and creativity come from. The brain's complexity is unmatched by any other structure we know. It shapes our reality and our sense of self. The more we learn about the brain, the more we discover about what it means to be human. Our brain is always busy, gathering information from our 5 senses: sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Specialized sensory receptors collect data and send signals to the brain. These signals travel along nerves, connecting every part of the body to the brain. The brain doesn't just receive signals, it actively processes and interprets them. It combines information from different senses, creating a rich, integrated experience. This helps us navigate complex environments and make quick decisions. Every moment, the brain constructs our reality from the information it receives. Without this process, we couldn't make sense of the world around us. The brain isn't a single, uniform part. It's divided into major regions, each with specialized roles. The 3 main sections are the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem, all working together seamlessly. The cerebrum is the largest part, responsible for higher-level functions like thinking, learning, memory, and language. It's divided into right and left hemispheres, connected by a thick band of nerve fibers. The cerebellum, located below and behind the cerebrum, is smaller but crucial for balance and coordination. It fine-tunes movements, making them smooth and precise, especially when learning new skills. The brainstem, at the base of the brain, connects everything to the spinal cord. It's the oldest part of the brain, controlling essential functions like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. The brainstem also regulates sleep-wake cycles and acts as a relay station for information. Each region is like a department in a company, with its own tasks but working toward a common goal. The cerebrum handles our thoughts and personality. The cerebellum ensures our movements are coordinated. The brainstem keeps us alive by managing automatic processes. Damage to any region can have profound effects on how we function. Understanding these regions helps us appreciate the brain's complexity. Each part is specialized, yet they all depend on each other. The brain structure is key to its incredible abilities. This organization allows us to think, move, and survive. The interplay between regions is what makes us human. The brain's design is a marvel of evolution and engineering. The cerebrum is the star of the human brain, covered in folds called gyri and sulci that increase its surface area. More surface area means more neurons, allowing for complex thought and processing. The cerebrum is divided into 4 main lobes: frontal, parietal, temporal, and occipital. The frontal lobe handles planning, decision-making, and movement. The parietal lobe processes touch and spatial awareness. The temporal lobes are key for sound, language, and memory. The occipital lobe processes visual information. All lobes work together, making the cerebrum our thinking cap. While the cerebrum handles thinking, the cerebellum and brainstem are vital for movement and survival. The cerebellum, or little brain, sits beneath the cerebrum and coordinates voluntary movements. It doesn't start movement, that's the cerebrum's job, but it fine-tunes actions, making them smooth and balanced. Learning new skills, like riding a bike, relies on the cerebellum mastering muscle coordination. It also helps maintain posture and balance by constantly receiving sensory information about your body's position. Damage to the cerebellum can cause coordination problems, unsteady movements, and difficulty with fine motor skills. The cerebellum's work is mostly unconscious, but it's essential for graceful, efficient movement. The brainstem is the brain's vital connection to the spinal cord, composed of the midbrain, pons, and medulla oblongata. It controls automatic functions necessary for survival, like breathing, heart rate, and blood pressure. The brainstem also manages reflexes such as swallowing, coughing, and sneezing. Without the brainstem, our basic bodily systems wouldn't function. It acts as a relay station, passing messages between the brain and body. The brainstem's automatic control keeps us alive every moment. Both the cerebellum and brainstem work behind the scenes, supporting everything we do. They allow us to move, react, and survive without conscious effort. These regions are less glamorous than the cerebrum, but just as crucial. Their roles are fundamental to daily life. Damage here can have life-altering consequences. The brain's teamwork is what keeps us functioning. Every movement and heartbeat depends on this coordination. The cerebellum and brainstem are the unsung heroes of the brain. The brain is powerful but delicate. Damage can have serious, lasting effects. The impact depends on which area is affected and how severe the injury is. A stroke cuts off blood flow, causing cells to die and loss of function. Traumatic brain injuries can result from accidents or sports, leading to headaches, confusion, or worse. Diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's gradually damage the brain. Healthy habits, exercise, diet, and mental activity support brain health. The brain's ability to recover is limited, so prevention is key. A healthy brain is essential for a fulfilling life. The brain is the architect of our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Complex networks of neurons in the cerebrum create our ability to reason, plan, and solve problems. The frontal lobe is key for higher-level thinking, judgment, and decision-making. Our intelligence and creativity are rooted in these neural connections. Emotions arise from the limbic system, especially the amygdala and hippocampus. The amygdala processes fear and helps us react to danger, while the hippocampus forms memories. Memories are often tied to strong emotions, giving meaning to our experiences. Voluntary movements start in the motor cortex, with signals traveling down the spinal cord to our muscles. The cerebellum refines these movements, and the brainstem controls involuntary actions like breathing. This intricate system lets us interact with the world physically and emotionally. Memory allows us to learn from the past and plan for the future. Short-term memory holds information briefly. Long-term memory stores it for years. The hippocampus is vital for turning short-term memories into long-term ones. Memories are distributed across networks of neurons, not stored in one spot. Recalling a memory reactivates these networks, bringing the past to life. The brain's ability to shape our reality is what makes us unique. Our sense of self, our relationships, and our dreams all begin here. The brain's constant activity creates our inner world. Every thought and feeling is a product of neural activity. Understanding this helps us appreciate the richness of human experience. The brain truly is the center of our reality. We've explored the wonders of the human brain, our body's command center. The cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem each play unique, interconnected roles. Together, they control everything from breathing to dreaming, thinking to moving. The brain receives and processes information from our senses, allowing us to perceive and interact with the world. Its specialized regions handle language, memory, movement, and emotion. Damage to any area can profoundly affect our lives, highlighting the importance of brain health. The brain is constantly changing, thanks to neuroplasticity, its ability to form new connections and adapt. This adaptability lets us learn, recover, and grow throughout life. Our thoughts, memories, and personalities are all shaped by the brain's activity. Advances in science are helping us understand and protect this remarkable organ. The brain's complexity and resilience are unmatched. It's the source of our individuality and creativity. Every moment, it's working to keep us alive and aware. The more we learn, the more we marvel at its mysteries. The brain is not just an organ, it's the essence of who we are. Caring for our brain is essential for a healthy, fulfilling life. The human brain is truly a marvel of nature. Its mysteries continue to inspire and challenge us.